Hello friends, my name is Ashok Kumar and I welcome you all to the course Generative AI for Everyone. Friends, imagine you wake up tomorrow and your AI assistant has already written your emails, created a report from a 100-page document, and even drafted ideas for your project, all before you had your breakfast. This is not the science fiction anymore. This is generative AI. Friends, generative AI is here and it is changing the way we live and work. You might be worried, you might be wondered why generative AI and why now? Friends, the technology is changing step by step, layer by layer. We have seen the internet that gives us information at our fingertips. We have seen smartphones as well that kept us connected anywhere. We have seen the cloud and big data as well. And with the help of that, we got the power to scale. Now, this is the time for generative AI. It will give us the creativity plus intelligence at a scale. The world is changing very fast. Those who learn how to use generative AI definitely will lead the change. Those who don't may be left behind. Now, what is generative AI? The definition of generative AI. So, if we talk about generative AI is a type of AI that is able to create or able to generate new content, new things. It might be image, text, audio, video, or even code. And how it will be able to generate? Just by learning the patterns from data. So, this is the definition of generative AI. Friends, this generative AI is different from the traditional AI. The traditional AI is able to predict based upon the given data or is able to classify based upon the given data. But over here, the generative AI is able to generate the new content. And that's the major difference between the traditional AI and the generative AI. Moving further, why should you learn generative AI? There are mainly two reasons, friends. First one is jobs are changing. Companies now want people who can work with AI. The second reason is the productivity. It might be possible you are in a better position and you are not willing to change the organization, but with the help of Gen AI, you can increase the productivity, and that is the major reason why you need to focus towards learning Gen AI at this moment. Okay, so generative AI is not here to replace you, it is here to empower you, but only if you learn how to use it. What you will get from this particular course? So, the learning objective from this particular course is we will start from introduction to generative AI. We will go through with the basics and then we will see the foundations of large language model, and we will go through with certain research papers, and then we will decode the architecture, that is nothing but the transformers, and we will deep dive into the transformer architecture. Then we will see prompt engineering, and I used to say prompt engineering is an art where we learn how to provide correct question to the GenAI model in order to get the correct output. So we will learn how to provide the correct question to the GenAI model. Moving further, we will see how the training is being happening onto the large language models, and we will decode the stuff what is there inside pre-training. Then we will see the retrieval augmented generation, RAG, and over here we will club our AI solution with some external source of data, and based upon that source of data the context will be changed and we will be able to get the outcome based upon that source as well, huh? Like we will be having the flavor of the source information once we get the output. So that is nothing but the RAG. Then we will try to club multiple RAGs together with the help of LangChain. Moving further, we will see the Agentic AI, and we will go through with some advanced solution. We will try to develop certain advanced solutions with the help of Agentic AI. And at the end, we will learn how to perform the fine tuning onto the large language models. So these are the things what I'm going to cover in this particular course module. Friends, every big revolution creates two kinds of people: those who are new, who uses friends every big revolution creates two kinds of people: those who use the new tools and shape the future, and second one, friends, every big revolution creates two kinds of people: those friends every big revolution creates two kinds of people. First, those who use the friends every big revolution creates two types of people. First one are those who use the new tools and shape the future, and second one are those who wait and are shaped by it. Generative AI is one of the biggest revolution of our time. By learning it, you are preparing yourself not just for today but for the future. By the end of this course, you wouldn't just be using AI, but also you will be building with it. So let's begin this exciting journey together. Thank you.